Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagamenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Halor kani kajing persya jengki pajba nakathan East Central District banonra yuduyong na barjala khamtam nakajala Assam shaki karkhana ki badan ha East Central District. Kabat CCTV kalayo roban yakren bad usambot menteri rangba kani kejela uba Preston Tensong ubala pensyai halor kani kajing persya jongki ubala pensyai halor ka ekadaw ba ka sarkar kamla bankhang hakaba wanra yuduyong nakiwei pa kejela sya kani kejela.
Need to understand the reality. I don't know why our leaders they are so narrow-minded like that. Let me just tell you very frankly. The moment we decided that 15% strength of the cement companies can operate. So after closing down for not less than 2 months, immediately opening up without raw materials means it's not possible. That is the more important. That's why even from the government side, only those cement companies who submitted the requirement of raw materials to bring from outside the state with the number of trucks, how many trucks you need, what is the quantity, but we only told them that this is temporary, is only for 50% of your strength. So already 6 of that we allow, but that is specific, as I said. Number 2, the issue here is, I think, our leaders from East Changi Hills, if I don't say it, I saw the newspaper, they said, why not buy coal from Changi Hills? The reply is very simple. Let me just tell you, it's so simple. NGT is still there. We can only sell those old stocks, and the old stock approved by the Supreme Court, about 22 lakhs metric ton. And that 22 lakhs metric ton, state government cannot sell it. This has been entrusted to Coal India. And the Coal India just recently, I think they just completed the formalities. And that also the entity approved it only for 2 lakhs ton out of 22 lakhs. Okay, so this process is still on. That's why I'm telling you, once this 2 lakh metric ton is allowed, transportation, then it is natural that this cement company is the owner of the companies. Certainly they buy from them. But right now, as I said to you, they cannot buy because that ban is still there. You cannot go. The ban is still there. If they insist, of course, you take from Changi Hills. As I said to you, because these formalities of the 2 lakh metric ton are yet to finalize. Because this has to go in the form of auction. So they need to understand the position of the government. We are also tight, they are also tight. But once this auction process is completed, maybe from East Changi Hills, maybe 1 lakh or 50,000 metric ton are there, then they can easily supply. In fact, all these years, no coal from outside the state, as far as consumption in the cement factory. It has been supplied by the local people only for using it in the cement factory. But this time, as I said to you, we do have these challenges, we do have this problem. And then even the owner of the cement factories, they requested us, see, if you say that we have to open, we have to start our operation, then you need to allow also for us at least 20 trucks, 30 trucks of raw material be brought back inside the factory. When the truck entered the factory, they sanitize it, and then while coming out also, they sanitize it. So strict protocol is already in place. Why should, in the first place, buy coal from outside because it is more, it is more, it is more costlier. I don't believe that. If they have stock, I don't think they'll bring coal all the way from Assam. Because coal is so cheaper locally. So, I think the answer is very clear.